Meanwhile, several candidates after filing their nominations exuded confidence of winning the upcoming elections. The NPP National Vice President Prestone Tynsong claimed that his party will easily sail through. Veteran politician Martel and Mukim said that it is an attempt to revive his party. Voice of the People Party VPP candidate from Nongkrem, Arden Miller Basayomoy, said that the party has worked hard to enlighten the people on the need to bring about a change, with the hope that VPP is voted to power and bring about the much-needed change. Adelbert Nongrum too sounded confident of winning the elections.
That led to the formation of the Voice of the People is because of the failure of all the core parties, especially the regional parties. The regional parties, they don't have a backbone to stand on their own principle. Their interest is to win election and be in the government and be in power.
I could see the mandate of the people and the movement, the mass movement that has taken place. Every meeting that we have is in our favor. So I'm very sure on the 2nd of March, we will be able to cross the required number, means we will cross the bridge and we will also run the government on our own.
I don't have any doubt about that, and I do feel that not only Shillong North, and I do feel that people across the Rekasi Jaintia, they will choose our VPP, our party, Voice of People Party, because we have experienced the past 50 years we cannot achieve or we cannot fulfill the aspiration of the people. So through clean politics, we are very sure to achieve the goal.